Good morning, my friends. This is Ian at Buildabizonline on a bright, sunny summer day in the UK. And I'm here to make a video to show you how to use our new Buildabizonline button generator. Okay. Again, this is courtesy of Martin. And here we go. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a button. We've got one or two presets down here, as you can see, and they're all gorgeous. So nice colours that you can use. You can use these on your splash pages, okay? Anything like that. So first of all, let's start with the text. I'm just going to put and as you know, I cannot talk and type at the same time. So click here for more information. Okay, now those that know me well, I like Verdana. Okay, and 16 is possibly a little bit too small for what I want, so there we have it. Okay, now then, we can either have it in bold, we can italicize it, we can change the color. So let's just make this I don't know, say something like that. So there's yellow on blue, but I must admit the white was good. Okay, now the padding is to do with the top and bottom, so let's just reduce that just a little bit. Okay, probably a bit more, I said, like that. Okay, so the minimum width, we can set that there. The button colour I chose was blue, but let's just try green, orange. Now that really pops, doesn't it? You can also, on the corners, you can alter the radius. Okay, so that looks good to me. And then you can put the redirect just in there. So let's just put Buildabizonline.com. Okay, and the alignment is center. So in other words, what this means is the button will be in the center of wherever you're building it. Okay, now if you want it on the left, obviously that's left, right, and back to the center. Okay, as soon as you've done that, all you need to do is click source code. Okay, and then copy to the clipboard. So let me just grab this, and then let us go. Let me just create something. Let me use an editor. Which one shall I use? Let me just use this one I found. Okay, and I'm going to paste it in there. Okay, and there we have it. So now what would happen is somebody would click on this, and I don't know whether I can make it live in here. Let's take it somewhere else. Let us just build a little splash page. Come on. My mouse is so temperamental this morning. It's crazy. So I've got a blank test there. So let's just have a look at that. Okay. So say I wanted to put a button in there. What I would do is go back when I can find it. There we have it. And then what we could do is click on edit the settings. And where it said, where did it say it? Where did it say it? Well, let's just put it in anyway. Okay, I'm going to put it in this box because it doesn't matter which box you go into. And I'm going to click on source and I'm going to paste it in there. And there we have that. Update the settings, and let's come back over to this page. There will be a click here for more information, but there will be a button on there now. So can you see that now? So there we have this gorgeous button now. Does it work? That's the thing. It's okay building these things and making them look pretty, but does it work? There we have it. Redirected to the place that I put in just here. So there we have it. We have our own branded Buildabizonline button generator. So thanks for listening. Bye for now. And of course, any questions at all, please contact me here. If I'm online and I've got the admin area open for this particular support desk, we can text chat live. If not, it will send me an email and I will answer that as soon as possible. Don't forget also, when I'm answering or when you're asking questions or anything or using this, please supply me with your username and I can get things done a lot quicker, because we've got a lot of Toms, we've got a lot of Lilies now. We've had another 2 Lilies just join us just lately. We've got a lot of Stevens, so if you put your username in there, I can sort out the problem a lot quicker. Okay, and don't forget, I am in the UK. Our server is in the UK. So there could be 5 hours difference between us if you're in the United States. Okay? So thanks for listening. Bye for now. Don't forget, any questions, don't give up. Contact me. Bye-bye.